This video presentation is brought to you by easytechforall.com, which is all about simplifying technology. In this video presentation, we will be focusing on the application of budget Android devices for the poor and downtrodden. We'll also be looking at the various possibilities using internet communication and peer-to-peer mesh networks. A recent survey by 91 Mobiles reveals that there are around 240 droids between the price range of 1100 to 3000 rupees, and most of them being sufficiently powered with quad-core processors and 1 GB RAM. In India, we have the Freedom 251 initiative, which plans to market the first Android device with quad-core processor coupled with 1 GB RAM and 8 GB internal storage at a price point of Rs 500. It has another low-powered model at Rs 250 also. We are just witnessing the start of our very own internet revolution. According to the Internet and Mobile Association of India, we have around 262 million urban mobile internet users and 108 million rural users. The total internet user subscriber base has gone up to 462 million with a growth rate of 31%. Let's have a bird's eye view at some of the possibilities at our disposal after the penetration of wired and mobile broadband in rural areas. With application of learning management solution, Android APKs, do-it-yourself portals, and self-help instructables, we can facilitate digital e-wallets, online mobile banking transaction, village e-commerce, health and telemedicine, as well as open source e-education. Apps like Flint and Paytm enable debit and credit card acceptance using native apps without the need of point-of-sale machines, thus boosting rural online business. To meet the challenges of power outages, we have solar power banks providing approximately 3 charge cycles. DIY and instructables can also assist in information procurement and management about off-grid and solar energy, temperature control, cooling and heating systems, water management, food production and preservation. Android APKs and low-resource, versatile, progressive web apps can help in health management by measuring basic metabolic rate. Apps can also calculate the heart rate. Apps like Google Fit can monitor fitness level. Apps both online and offline can help in learning languages in our mother tongue. Also, massive open online courses can change the dynamics.
Google's navigation system now supports offline maps in areas with poor cellular and internet connectivity using just the embedded GPS chip.
Today, social media has become a mirror of our society and can bring about a credible difference at the ground level. To keep the data cost low while using data-intensive apps and web standards, we can use state-of-the-art data compression technology by Opera and Google. In remote regions with poor internet connectivity, SMS service can be used to post on social sites and stay up to date. Digital e-wallet service like Paytm can also be accessed and used without internet, using toll-free number via voice calls. Now, what can be done in worst-case scenarios during absence of mobile networks and internet? Today, technology has made possible the use of messengers and data transfer without the use of Wi-Fi internet, 3G or 4G. This groundbreaking innovation is called peer-to-peer mesh network, living off the grid the FireChat way. P2P apps like FireChat create a mesh network of cell phone nodes using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi available on Android devices. A successful mesh network has adequate nodes for data to flow unhindered. We have our very own version called the Hike Direct by Hike Messenger service. MeshMe also lets you communicate without a cellular or Wi-Fi connection, provided enough users are close by. IBM's new weather app sends emergency weather turbulence tsunami alerts without a network. It too relies on mesh networking to transmit data in emerging markets. Just 3.2 MB in size, it is built with slower 2G connections in mind. What if we do not have enough nodes in our vicinity, especially during natural catastrophes? The answer is GoTenna, which uses smart protocols and radio waves to send messages off the grid. No towers, routers, or satellites required. The GoTenna module pairs with your device using Bluetooth and has a city range of 1 to 2.5 kilometers, a jungle range of 3 to 5 kilometers, and a sea level and desert range of 6.5 to 10 kilometers. Low-cost village and remote data information, communication, transmission, and education center can be set up using feasible Chromebooks, cloud computing technology, Wi-Fi routers, range extenders and repeaters, P2P mesh networks.